Hey everybody, this is Alex and I'm here to show you how I put fonts onto my iPad that I can use into GoodNotes 5. I'm using my iPad Pro with my Apple Pencil, so here we go. So what you'll do is you'll go to Safari and you're going to go to thefont.com. And that is where you will download the fonts. So from here, there's a bunch of fonts. You can search fonts. Most of them are free. There are a few that you have to pay for, but most of them are free for personal use. So I'm going to go to the category script at the very top and handwritten, and it's going to have a bunch of handwritten scripts. I love script fonts. So you'll scroll down to the one you like. I like Monday routines, so I'm going to do download, free for personal use. If you want to use it for other uses, you will have to go actually click on the name and then purchase it, pay money for the license. So now that you have it downloaded, you will go to your Apple Store and download iFont. And iFont is what will actually download the font onto your iPad. So here's my iFont. I'm split screening my screen. So now you go to the downloads on your Safari, click on Monday Routines, and it will take you to your files where it's downloaded at. You'll tap on Morning Routines to unzip your zip file. And then after you tap on it, you will see the actual font file. And there it is. So you'll go to the share button again, and you're going to share it to iFont. Sometimes you have to scroll over. Mine's just at the beginning. So now it's on your iFont app. So now you're going to go to your settings. Now you're going to do install, allow, and then it shows you even how to go through your settings to install the font actually onto your iPad or your iPhone. Now you're going to go to your settings, and in your settings you'll see where it says profile download at the very top. You'll push install. This is where you find all of your pending installs, all of your ones that you've already installed. So you'll type in your password and click install again. And now the font is installed onto your iPad, iPhone. So now you're going to go to whatever program you use. I use GoodNotes 5 for my planner. This that I'm using is my photo memories. As you see, I have like my daily affirmation notebook. I have a bunch of stuff. So this is my little girl's room. We redecorated it for Christmas. So I have in my photo memories for January, this is what I'm going to put down. So I'm just going to show you guys how you do the write and use the lasso to do the write to text. So I'm just going to write Eden's room makeover. And my handwriting is absolutely ugly. That's why I love this feature, because my handwriting's ugly, so I can just click on the lasso tool at the top, circle, square, everything that you want to edit. You're going to do convert to text. I got something wrong, so you can actually change it inside the box, but I'm going to go back and just erase my E and try it again. So now I'm going to lasso, square everything that I want to change, convert to text. You're going to do the share button, and you're going to do copy. Now you're going to clear out what you wrote. You're going to delete it. Now you're going to paste your text. And whenever you paste your text, it's going to come up with a little text box. Now you can edit everything from here. So we're going to go to our fonts. We're going to scroll down to morning routines that we just downloaded. And it's going to change our font to morning routine. So now you can edit the little text box. I'm going to change the font, change the size. You can change the color. You can change, the alignment if it's on the left, the middle, the right, how it's positioned. And that is everything. So this is how I personally add fonts onto my iPad Pro, the 4th generation. So if you enjoyed this first video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more. See you guys. Bye.